I am HVAC Repair Guy, a former Navy nuclear electrical operator with over 17 years of field experience as an installer, technician, and contractor. Today we are looking at two entry-level single-stage heat pumps, the Ducane 7HP14F and the GE NS17H series. Both units feature louvered steel coil panels to protect the outdoor coils from hail-flying debris and accidental lawnmower strikes. The GE unit steps up the cabinet protection with heavy galvanized steel coated in baked polyester paint. The Ducane unit utilizes an all-aluminum coil system designed to resist corrosion. Heat pumps are measured by Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, or HSPF. The Ducane 7HP14F achieves a baseline rating of 7.5 HSPF2. The GE NS17H rates around 8.1 to 9.5 depending on the specific system matchup. In real-world winter operation, the higher HSPF rating means the GE unit extracts outdoor heat more efficiently and costs less on your electric bill. Both systems handle standard summer cooling up to around 14 to 17 SEER efficiency. Both systems use single-stage scroll compressors and single-speed condenser fan motors. Neither system offers variable speed or two-stage compressor modulation, so they operate full-on or full-off. Noise levels vary by model and tonnage, with the Ducane around 74 decibels on spec sheets. Certain GE NS17H models list as low as 57 decibels at 10 feet, though larger models can reach up to 74 decibels. Ducane units are built in South Carolina by Allied Air Enterprises, a subsidiary of Lennox. The GE NS17H series is manufactured by GE Appliances under the Haier umbrella, with primary assembly in China. Standalone condenser pricing on the GE NS17H ranges from clearance prices around $1,400 up to $4,100 for a 2.5-ton unit. Turnkey installation typically ranges from $5,000 to $9,500, depending on tonnage, ductwork, and local labor rates. Full Ducane installations average around $8,000 nationwide. Both manufacturers offer a standard 10-year warranty on functional parts and a 10-year warranty on the compressor with timely registration. Neither unit includes a unit replacement warranty. My honest recommendation is the GE NS17H because of higher heating efficiency, lower running noise, and competitive pricing.